Well, hello, guys. Let me know in the comments if you watch this as a live or as a replay. Tag me in the comments. Let me know that you are here. And let's do this. Let's do this. So, I want to talk about courses, high ticket courses actually, and Facebook ads and how you can combine them in order to create something really good for your business. It's going to allow you to scale your business so fast and create income predictability, and it's really good. If you're a business owner, you know how important that is. So let's go more in depth as much as we can because this is going to be a short video. I'm talking about this more, by the way, in upcoming training. Super excited about this. I'm talking about how to track the whole customer journey in order to know what to fix. So it's important now, it's important to understand that in order to make your Facebook ads work, you need to track not only your Facebook ads campaign, but your funnel too. You want to track the whole journey, otherwise it won't work. Like, forget it. It's not going to work. You just track one piece without tracking the other piece. So you get the traffic, but after that you need to know what's happening when they opt in. Like, you need to know what do those people do, like what do they do when they opt into your sales process, which is basically a funnel. So you need to know, you need to track, and in order to, you need to have a spreadsheet where you fill out the information based on your numbers. Basically, you're looking at your numbers, you put them in that spreadsheet, and you will know where the leaks are. Because if you don't know, you are basically you are using hope marketing, and it's most of the time it's not okay. It's not okay to use. It's not okay to do that way. Facebook ads is going to burn your pocket. So I'm talking more about this in the upcoming webinar, by the way. I'm going to post a link above. I'm going more in depth with this, and why it's something that you don't want to approach. Like, you don't want to have that kind of approach when it comes to Facebook ads. You want to have clarity, and you want to have focus, and you want to know how to get from A to B. That's the way you get results. So now, going back to the topic of this piece of content, how you fix your Facebook ads. First of all, you need to understand your numbers. You need to understand what to track, and you need to understand some of the most important numbers, like CPC, which is cost per click, CTR, which is click-through rate. There are other numbers, but it's going to be overwhelming, so I'm going to talk about this too. So CPC, cost per click. It's logic. Like, you don't need to be a Facebook ads Einstein in order to understand that cost per click. So you want to make that cost as low as possible. It really depends on your niche, because niches are different. One is more competitive than another. So you need to have an idea about how much to like the cost per click in your niche. However, if it's a business to business niche, it's mostly more expensive than consumer than in the consumer market. So just as a general rule. However, when you look in your ads dashboard and you look at the reports and you have the customer journey mapped out in that report, if you don't know what I'm saying, that's fine. But when you look into your reports and you look at your CPC and you look at your CTR, if you're paying way too much, let's say that more than $1 or $1.5 for a click, you want to start look into that ad. And especially if the CTR, which is the click-through rate, so CTR, is if it's lower than how much you pay for a click, that's a red flag. So you need to start digging, and you start with testing a different image. The image gets the most attention, so you want to start from there and test a different image. Now about images, I've done different videos about images, but you want to test a different image and see how that goes. And then if you test different images and still you pay way too much for a click, you want to look into your copy, and then also look into your targeting. So that's the order that I want you to follow. Very important. And it takes time and it takes patience, but it can be done. That's the beautiful thing about it. So as a quick recap, so CPC is the cost per click. You want to have the cost per click as low as possible and also lower than the CTR. If the CTR is lower than the cost per click, that means that that's a red flag too. So you want to look into your ad and start changing things. Same thing, start with the start with the image, then copy, and then targeting. The ideal scenario is to have a low cost per click and a high CTR, more than 1%, more than 2%. The higher the CTR is, the lower you're going to, the lower the CPC. You're paying less and less for a click. So you want to do a good job with the copy, with the image, with the targeting, the whole ad basically, in order to have a high CTR and a low CPC. Guys, if this is a little bit too technical, tag me in the comments and let me know your questions so that I can address that. Okay, so those are some numbers that you can use to. So if you're running Facebook ads right now, and by the way, let me know in the comments if you're running Facebook ads right now to a course or program or whatever, and if you look at your ads dashboard, would love to do a screenshot and show me your CPC and your CTR, because we can start from there just to highlight something. There are many other numbers that you want to track. However, you want to start with those. Look at those and start tweaking, and tag me in the comments and let me know how it goes. So I hope this is helpful. I'm doing a webinar. I'm going to add the link above. I'm going to go a little bit more in depth with this. I'm also talking about how to move from doing marketing that it doesn't create predictability in your business to having a system that's going to allow you to create that predictability. It's all about the high ticket sales blueprint and how to put things together in order to start create that predictability in your business. It's something that every business owner needs. It's tailored to coaches. So if you are getting ready for a launch, or if you want to focus on selling your high ticket offer, this is a webinar that you cannot miss. I'm going to give some really juicy info that you don't want to miss. So use the link above, tag me in the comments if you have questions, and I'm so looking forward to seeing your beautiful face in the presentation, in the training, and support you as much as I can because of course there will be a live Q&A. So thank you for watching one more time, and talk to you soon. Bye.